Are you dreaming of living in the heart of the city of New York, surrounded by the glitz and glamour of Manhattan? If you are as excited as me to know more about life in Manhattan, then you are in the right place because I'm going to give you an insider's perspective on the pros and cons of calling Manhattan home in 2024. This exploration into what life is really like in this bustling metropolis will help you make an informed decision before you actually start making preparation for moving to Manhattan this year. So, without wasting any time, join me, take a dive in, and explore what life is really like in this bustling metropolis. Hi, my name is Radhika Kapoor, and I'm a licensed realtor and an interior designer based right here in the most iconic borough of Manhattan, New York. So be honest and tell me, have you ever imagined waking up to the buzz of the city that never sleeps? Manhattan, with its towering skyscrapers and bustling streets, is a place where dreams are made and pursued. It's like a borough filled with endless possibilities, iconic sights, and vibrant culture. But like any major city, it comes with its own set of challenges. Whether you're considering moving here or just curious about life in the Big Apple, let's dive into the pros and cons of living in Manhattan. We'll explore what makes it a magnificent yet demanding place to live, ensuring you get a full picture from the comfort of your current home. Starting out with our first pros: unparalleled career opportunities. Manhattan is a global hub for opportunities for countless industries, from finance and technology to fashion and arts. Living here puts you at the center of it all, with access to some of the world's most prestigious companies and institutions. Whether you are an ambitious entrepreneur or a seasoned professional, the city's thriving job market offers endless opportunities for career growth and advancement. Cons: sky high cost of living. While Manhattan's career prospects are undeniably attractive, the cost of living here can be a significant drawback. Rent prices in the borough are among the highest in the country, with the average one-bedroom apartment costing around $4,000 per month in 2024. Everyday expenses like groceries, transportation, and entertainment also come with a hefty price tag. For many residents, the financial strain of living in Manhattan can be a constant source of stress, and many require careful budgeting and sacrifices in other areas of life. Pros: world-class cultural experience. One of the greatest joys of living in Manhattan is having access to an unrivaled array of cultural experiences right at your doorstep. From world-renowned museums like the Metropolitan Museum of Art and the Guggenheim to iconic performance venues like Carnegie Hall and Broadway theaters, there's always something new and exciting to explore. In 2024, the city's cultural scene is more vibrant than ever, with the packed calendar of exhibitions, performances, and events that cater to every taste and interest. So, whether you are a cultural vulture or simply appreciate the occasional night out, Manhattan's rich culture offerings are sure to enrich your life in countless ways. Cons: crowded and fast paced lifestyle. While Manhattan's energy and excitement are part of its appeal, the borough, crowded streets, and fast paced lifestyle can also be overwhelming at times. With over 1.6 million residents packed into just 22.8 square miles, personal space is often a premium. Constant hustle and bustle can be exhausting, and finding moments of peace and quiet can be a challenge. For some people, the frenetic pace of life in Manhattan may be too much to handle, leading to a feeling of stress and burnt out over time. Pros: unbeatable public transportation. One of the biggest advantages of living in Manhattan is having access to an extensive and reliable public transportation system. The New York City subway runs 24/7 and can get you almost anywhere in the borough quickly and efficiently. In 2024, the MTA is investing billions of dollars in upgrading and expanding the subway network and new stations, improved signaling systems, and more frequent services. For carefree living, Manhattan is hard to beat, with a wealth of options for getting around the city without even having to get behind the wheel. Cons: limited space and storage. With Manhattan's sky-high real estate prices comes another challenge: limited living space. Apartments in the borough are notoriously small, and with many residents having to get creative with storage solutions and multifunctional furniture. In 2024, the average size of a newly constructed apartment in Manhattan is just 700 square feet, which can feel cramped for those used to more spacious living arrangements. For families or individuals with a lot of belongings, the lack of storage space can be a constant source of frustration and may require regular decluttering and downsizing. Pros: diverse and vibrant neighborhoods. One of the greatest joys of living in Manhattan is exploring its many diverse and vibrant neighborhoods, each with its own unique character and charm. From the trendy boutiques and cafes of the West Village to the historic brownstones of Harlem, there's a neighborhood to suit every lifestyle and personality. In 2024, many of the Manhattan neighborhoods are undergoing exciting transformations with new development, green spaces, and community initiatives breathing fresh life into the borough. Whether you are a young professional, a growing family, or an empty nester, you are sure to find a corner of Manhattan that feels like home. Cons: noise and pollution. As with any densely populated urban area, noise and pollution are an unavoidable part of life in Manhattan. The constant hum of traffic, construction, and sirens can be grating, especially for light sleepers or those who work from home. Air quality is also concerned with the borough's high concentration of vehicles and buildings, contributing to elevated levels of other pollutants. While the city is taking steps to address these issues, such as expanding green spaces and promoting electric vehicles, the reality is that living in Manhattan means expecting a certain level of environmental stress. Here's the bonus tip. This is what I was talking about earlier in the video, which is actually an additional pro of living in Manhattan. I'm talking about the exciting new developments in 2024 and a thriving real estate market. Despite the challenges of living in Manhattan, there's never been a more exciting time to call this borough home. In 2024, a wave of new developments and initiatives are transforming the city in ways that promise to enhance quality of life for residents. From the opening of the new Penn Station complex to the expansion of the Hudson River Park, Manhattan is investing in infrastructure and public spaces that will make the borough an even more vibrant and livable place. As a realtor and interior designer, I am thrilled to be a part of this dynamic moment in the city's history and can't wait to see what the future holds for this incredible community. And for those interested in the real estate, Manhattan continues to offer a robust market with potential for significant returns on investment. Despite high prices, the demand for property remains strong, making it a worthwhile consideration for investors or for those looking to buy property in a historically appealing market. So there you have it. A glimpse into the bustling life of Manhattan. Living in this iconic city is like riding a roller coaster that never stops. It's thrilling, packed with action, and you never know what's around the next corner. From the unparalleled career opportunities and cultural richness to the challenges of high living cost and limited space, Manhattan offers a unique lifestyle that isn't for everyone. But if you love the idea of a city that pulses with the energy and opportunity, Manhattan might be just the right place to plant your roots. Remember, every city has its ups and downs, but for many, the magic of Manhattan is worth every bit of the ride. If you found value and would like to see more videos, please click on to the boxes on the screen below if you'd like to know more about life in Manhattan and how you find your next home in Manhattan. Then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social to keep yourself updated. Hit the like button if you found this video informative. Once again, I'm Radhika Kapoor, your real estate agent, and you can get in touch with me through my contact details in the description box below. See you in the next video.